Let's go. Another day, another contest. 2025. It's 26. Okay, I can do this. Array of floating points, floating point numbers, averages. Minimum element in averages. Okay. Size is 50, n is even. Okay, so what I can do, I need to minimum element. I will pick minimum and maximum. Just sort this. And how do these shortcuts work? Okay. Now I can use a pointer. J equals to n minus 1. Let's n size of the array. Let's use a while loop. While j is greater than I, I'll do what? I need to return a double. Let's say this is the answer. I need a minimum. Let's assign a max to it. Now answer equals to minimum of, I need to subtract, I need averages. Add whatever is at I, whatever is at j by 2. Return the answer. There we go. I cannot call min because this is double and this is not. I can typecast like this. I don't know. This will not work, so can I do that? Double? I don't know. Let's try something. Excuse me. Let's go 5.5. I think this is correct. I should be audible now. My mic. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, my logic is a bit wrong actually. I need to go through all rows. Let's fix this. So I'm traversing through our rows. So I need to check whether there is a 1 exist in this column or not. Okay. If exist, that is like my lower bound. Huh. So I need a lower bound and a upper bound, both of them. All right. Wait, what I'm talking about? Uh, what if there is no 0? There should be. अब तक खामोशी दिल सा I think this is fine, but this thing will not work because of that. Oh, I can just get some of a row, so this is pretty easy if I do it that way. See, accumulate grid of I dot beacon, grid of I dot end. Let's start with 0. So now I have if this is greater than 1, then absolutely, I mean greater than 0, then there is a 1 in this row. So what I'm going to do, let's take a minimum and let's take a maximum and track both of these. So a equals to minimum of a comma minimum of a comma I, to do it for b with the max. So if there is only one thing exist, then this is going to be same. So ultimately I can get a size for this. Let's do same thing here. So we have a and b, some different variable. Going to use same logic, emulate everything. Wait, this is a bit tricky because I need to iterate. Is it? J equals to 0, j less than n plus plus j, s plus equals to grid of j I. So I is working as a column and j is working as a row. I'm checking every single row. If it exists, then take the minimum in C, maximum in D, and my answer should be the area, which is D minus C plus 1 into B minus A plus 1. We got some integer overflow issues. Is this long? No. Okay. So if A equals to this is the only solution. So the answer for first one is 0. C, I have taken as minimum. Okay, I know. Okay, now this should be fine. I'm getting 2 as an answer, but why? Should not be 2. If both of these are same, then let's see out. Also, let's check for C and D. What's the issue? Okay. We're getting 1 1 0 1 0 1. So we're getting 0 1. What does this mean? Why do we have 1 here in D? What the heck? Am I doing something wrong? Hello. Okay, let's think. Traversing through rows. I took the first row and I checked this one. So it should be greater than K. So this must not be equal to this. But why is this happening? What is S? S is coming out to be 0. This is wrong. S is not 0 here. This is the first row, no? My logic flawed or something? Oh, fuck. Okay. No. Fuck me. What the hell? What? I have 1 here. Why? 0th row. No, this can't take this much time. Should be easy. I should get something here. I'm not getting. So this particular row should give me. Wait, C is minimum of A and I. So what is C? This isn't max. It should become 0 here only. No. Ah, 0 comma 0 is 0. Oh wait, what the hell? This is not 0. What the fuck? This is second example. Oh wait. Why is this flipped? What the hell? The test case is flipped. This is not my mistake, honestly. Okay, now I do have. Now I can check. So There is some cable issue with my mic, so I'm sorry for that. um yeah, I should probably put this. I should keep checking whether my voice is coming or not. I will take a look at OBS occasionally. I probably need to buy a new cable. This cable is bad, actually. Anyway. Mm, three non-overlapping rectangles having non-zero areas. Non-overlapping. Non-zero areas with horizontal and vertical sides such that all ones in grid lie inside these rectangles. This is only 30. With 30, what I can do? I can probably go exponent. No. Let's first try. What do you mean by minimum possible sum? If I will extend this to this rectangle, what is going to happen? This will become it was like 2 into 1, which was 2. Now this is 2 into 2, which is 4. It's bad. I should keep it like this. 2 to 4, 1, 5. Wait. Rectangles are allowed to touch. Okay. First of all, I need to find that particular rectangle that contains all ones. I have already did that in second one. Next is I need to find 3 splits that is going to minimize the sum. So if I have some area, let's say it is A into B, I already found it. Now, for example, for this, the area is going to be 2 into 3. Now I need to see how can I split that into 3 parts, both A and B, right? So split both A and B into 3 parts, right? So A is basically 2. So if A is 2 and B is 3, what's the best I can do? Wait, I can no, this is different. So I can find first one, I can find second one, I can find third one. This question is different a little bit. This is the first block. What is the height of this block? What is a possible height? So there could be a situation where we have something. I can also pick something which is not this is a good question. So what we doing? We picked this one, this one and this one. 3, 4 and 5. This is a minimum possibility. I'll go ahead and pick this one as 1, this one as 1, this one as 1. This is going to be of size 2. I see something. Maybe I can see some pattern. I can't see my chat. How long will it reach your level? Bro, it depends, honestly. I've been doing this like every single day. It's been, I believe, 8 months for me. For you, it could be less or it could be more. It depends on you, honestly. Depends on like your kind of aptitude. I would say if you're very good at maths, you are going to pick up very quickly. Zero areas, horizontal and vertical. It's such that all the ones in grid lie inside these rectangles. I guess तूफान आ गया बाहर बहुत तेज. तो मैंने कपड़े नहीं धुले. कपड़े उड़ जाते आज. Okay, let's intuitively think about this. So this is like the longest one that we have. So I want this longest one to only have like one side equals to 1 because I don't want to extend this further. We could also have another one. 374 accepted. So if I could solve this, I will be in like top 400 ranks because I already fucked up in second problem. It took me like so much time. Else I would be like 1500. So it's my bad. This is like not a very easy problem. I can see that. Constraints are not very tight. Can I go exponential or something? Yeah, I can do that. I can do some constant to the power n. So I can do 3 to the power n. Hmm. Can I just do it? Just brute force? Like the all possible ways to do it. It should be optimized. I can't be just random. Why do I have 3? I need to find 3 areas that satisfy that condition. Any 3. Should I just try to brute force it? But how am I going to? If I have that A cross B. Oh my god, I need to check. Just give me a minute. Pretty awesome out there. Um, my mic working? Yep, thankfully. I don't think I can solve this honestly. I could have solved these problems faster. This one very easy actually. This was a very easy problem. And this one too. Just easy DP, like no brainer shit. No brainer type shit. I can also just loop it. I could have possibly. I have no idea what could be like the possible strips. Say this is a vertical one. This is also vertical. This is also vertical. It could also be like vertical and horizontal. So this can be something like this. Let's solve something else. I don't think I'll look into it later on. This is a brute force problem, a good one. I need to practice some greedy problems. Or maybe I should just brute forces. Sit down. Did I solve a problem yesterday? I don't remember. I did. Yeah. Let's go with some good problem. Prime number. I did not solve it. Almost arithmetical progression. Let's solve something. Let's solve this one. Simon has a prime number x and an array of non-negative integers. Okay. Fractions is written over here. X upon a to the power 1. Okay. So this is some power of a prime number. Some power of prime. All fractions. What's the rating? 1900. I can try. But I may not be able to solve it. Wants to reduce the resulting fraction. Common denominator and summed them up. He got a fraction. Okay. Where t equals to x a1 plus a2 plus. Yeah, I mean, you just multiplied. And s is what? S is just summation. X to the power a1 plus x to the power a2. Now Simon wants to... No. So this one is going to be like from a to 2an. Multiples. Now Simon wants to reduce the resulting fraction. Okay. Find the greatest common divisor of numbers s and t as GCD can be rather large, printed as a remainder after dividing it by a number. This GCD can be large. So n and x, and so I have given this array non-negative, and I want to find GCD of S and T, and these are actually very big numbers. So what is x? I have given x as well. I can do that. Can't I just simply calculate? I mean, I need GCD with mod. I believe GCD already applies a mod property. So a comma b equals to a comma b mod a. Yeah, mod a mod b, or similarly it will also be equal to a b mod a. I mean, this is how GCD is calculated in log n. So this cannot be that easy, by the way. I need uh, I need GCD of S and T. Can't I just iterate over, like, what is going to be what is going to be the S A2? So this one is going to be only equals to this whole one. Then you will do plus. I need copy and a pen, honestly, to think about it. And I should not forget, they have given a prime number. There should be something about a prime number. It is prime to the power something. So prime to the power something. I will get can't I just brute force it? Like, I can find this in n log n. I can use binary exponentiation. Yep, can do that. And then I can also find the numerator and I can add them. Is this going to change something? Like if I mod GCD, if I will just mod a and b with some prime number and mod after, is there going to be an issue? Ask GPT. So is GCD of a comma b equals to GCD of a mod p comma b mod p and sub mod p. Is this true? No. I doubt it. GCD depends on actual integer values. Modular operation loses information. So there is something in this problem that x is a prime number, that I can apply this property. Like, there is something. So one number is x to the power a1 plus a2. This is 10 to the power 9. So 10 to the power 9. I can represent these numbers in like, um I can use long. Is fine. Can I find s for now? S is going to be multiples. So they can be like 10 to the power 9 and have multiples that are very big. 9 to just 16. So what do I do IRL? Bro, very good question. I do nothing. I just solve these DSA problems. I go to college. I'm in third year right now. I think this is what he was asking. और मैं आज गया था college after so long. Mm. What should I do? Can I just... So I have x to the power some numbers. Okay. Um, if I have something like should be something. Sheesh code, yes sir. Um, if I have some fraction and I want to find GCD, I can just do it independently. Can I? So X is a prime number. What does it mean for X to have a prime number? Oh, so we only have a single prime number. So I need to find like the power. I need to find some power of X that can divide S. Some power of X that can divide S. Pentagon. Yes, sir. On it. Uh, so this is going to be XA2 into till here. I can see if there is something that divides. No, but I'm summing this up. How can I do it? mm, mm, gaming after possible. Yep. Um. 7 बज रहे हैं, 1 घंटे और, उसके बाद करते हैं. So with these fractions, like that, I should be able to do it. Code Forces handle, it's LAV1SH. You can follow. I will put this in my description later on. If there is a sum, basically how many times, and x is a prime number. Oh, any suggestions? Arman Singh. You're a newbie right now. Not found. Okay. When did you start? May 2025. You have solved 400 problems. Like on Code Forces. Those are good number of problems, by the way. I mean, what's wrong? I got some plus. You're doing good. You solved two problems. A, EP5. This you have submitted later on. I mean, wait, this contest, I missed it actually. This is div 3, 1080. Absolute Cinema. Idiot First Search. I have solved this actually. I missed the contest, but I have solved like good problems. This one is probably not. I'll do this later on. I mean, what? I don't know what advice I need to give you. Just solve more problems, maybe. Solve some good problems. Um, and you should be able to solve these. Like, it's okay. I would just say keep practicing because, like, for some people, it's like a little bit slow, especially on code forces because code forces is very maths heavy. So it's fine. Just keep trying. Maybe I believe in like next 6 months you will go up. You will reach like specialist at least. If you have like a very good base in maths before, then this is very easy for you actually. I had a pretty good base, so and it's been 8 months. I'm doing it. I have solved a lot of problems on Spoj and CSES. I solved, I believe, around 200, around 100 or something, I believe, on CSES and on Spoj as well. And those were like good problems. Try solving more. You can solve problems from this sheet. Try to do some 14, 1500s. Try to solve some good problems and you are going to be fine. Just keep doing it. Okay, so oh fuck, some physics stuff. So this is like some x to the power something AI, and then numerator is going to be x to the power all these numbers a2 plus a3. Like a1 is not going to be here, and similarly I have these numbers. Oh my god, I'm so bad at drawing. So this is a prime number. So I need something that is common. Are you targeting SD roles? Yes, I am. So all of this stuff is prime. I need to find some power of x to the some power that satisfies, that is common. But how can I do that? That is common to uh common to this. The denominator, and it is present, like I have these multiple numbers. टूटा हुआ आसमां खुद से ही नाराज हूँ, जो तूने खुद- uh, I can start with the lower ones, and it should be dividing um divide what? With what? um so how can I find these powers? I need total power, so let's sum this. mm, Now I have total power. If I have these numbers, um I don't know, honestly. Kind of not able to think. Hmm. Missed my question. I need something common. This is my GCD. It divides both numbers. X is same. Um, and GCD is the minimum power. If I want, let's say, Something like highest power. I could have just returned this thing, this whole thing, right? No. It is a summation. I need to see something. Um, Maybe I can just find the uh, common terms, common powers that are common in both. So this thing can be x to the power something, which is this a basically. So it can be something here, and I want it to be maximized. Yep. In numerator, I want your summation should have this. I need x to some power, and that power belongs inside this array A. Seven 43. um own maximum power. This is coming once only. So is there any problem? This is fine, but um what do I need? I have T. um this is basically T minus AI. Now I have these powers. I need. Is this a problem? Yes. This is going to be a problem. It cannot pair with this or this. It is not going to add up to some 2 to the power. And this will definitely create some issues. 2 to the power 5. This is basically 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 6. And let's say we have 6 plus 5. 21. 2 to the power 21. What is their GCD? Wait, this is wrong. If this is 2 to the power 5 and I cannot make it to something else, there should be something common. Um, I need a I need the frequency. F of I can store this. um what could be like the maximum this um it could be T, like at max. This is what. Now I need to minimize this. You can check for whether if this V is dividing whatever is X is given, then one thing I can do is I can go to so if 4 is dividing 2, then this is going to be this is true. um this is 4 times. You just add it. How much? This is what we do, we go to um and then I will remove this 4. I go to this sum. This sum is basically what the fuck? I don't know. Problem is not easy. Uh, answer is 27 because 13 into 27, 351 into 2, something is common in both. 27. Why is it 8? Let's do it with 3. 3 plus 2 plus 1. And we will have 3 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 to the power 3. How long? I have no idea. I will probably just solve this one and end. I got things to do. Uh, 3 to the power something. It is coming once only. Okay. Now I'm storing what it was 2 to the power 2 comma 4. It was like 2 comma 4. All right, now this will be दो घंटे हो गए. Oh no. I need a hint, honestly. I'm just looking for a hint. Um, okay. Okay. Let's think about this one. So if I have 4 2 to the power 2, and this is 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 2, and its frequency mod x is something. This is 2 as well. I can add. This is equivalent, right? So 2 to the power 3 plus 2 to the power 3, 16. It is equivalent to 2 to the power 4, 4 times. Two times, okay, 32. This is 2, 16, 2 is 30. Yep, okay. This is into 4, by the way. Wait, 4 4 just 16, and 2 into 2 to the power 3. Yeah, so they both are going to be same. Now this 2 is also divisible. Then I can reduce it to 1 into 2 to the power 4, right? And this is a prime number, so I don't have to worry about anything else. And now this is not reducible, right? So I need to greedily pick this. How can I do this? I can use a map so that I get the minimum k before. I want to play with the minimum power. So this is correct. B minus x or B by x. Yeah, because this is okay. This is correct. Now I need to erase this current one. So I don't know what is this. Let's take a iterator and so now I think this is going to erase. What? What is the problem? No, this is a iterator. What the hell? It'd be okay. How do I erase something from a map? This looks correct to me. Yep. Map name dot erase into iterator. This is fine, of course. And that is it. Else, I'm greedily going from smallest to bigger. If it's not possible, then whatever my answer is, this is going to be minimum of answer, comma, whatever the power is. And I don't have to check for other ones. I don't know what's your problem, honestly. Don't give a fuck. Okay. This is fine, I guess. Now, what is my answer? Once I get this power, my answer is just x to the power this. I need to use my template. What's the name? X to the power answer. Okay. Can see out. I don't know what's wrong here. Excuse me. Why are you sad? Is there an issue with it? Can I just check? What is that? Oh my god. type error. Am I writing fucking TypeScript here? What the fuck? भाई क्या मैटर हो गया यार, बताओ। ये क्या बकचोदी है? Let me use a fucking map. Seriously, type error. Let's grab K. Is this like a... good now? Okay, this is cool. What are you saying? Fuck off. It is... I'm not solving a hard problem now. I'll just stay on my rank. I was thinking in a right direction, but... okay, thank you. I was not able to think of this reducing it. Like... need to... I need to reduce the frequency to get the maximum sum. That is possible. And once it is not possible, it's not possible to reduce, then there is no common multiple possible. Okay. You still have problem with my arrays? Seriously. Should I go for another one? 1600 I can solve. No, I'm not going to do that. Fuck. Points on a line. This is very easy. Points a lot. 813. I will probably stream tomorrow now. And points lying on the line. How many ways he can choose 3 distinct points, so the distance between the 2 farthest of them doesn't exceed D. How many ways 3 distinct point distance between the 2 farthest of them doesn't exceed D. Order of the points inside the group of 3 chosen doesn't matter. Okay, so they can be of like any fucking order. 3 points. How can you pick? If there is a point exist, these are 3 distinct points, so D should be greater than equal to 1. 10 to the power 5. If you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and D is 3, why do we have 4 ways? Wait. Coordinates of the point are strictly increasing, so you have a single line going from left to right. Doesn't exceed D. Oh, so it should be less than D. So which point is violating this? 1 and 4. The distance is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any group of 3 points. Okay, so so what is not meeting the condition? This is considered a distance of 2. This point you can take 2 distance. So what is not possible? It should, wait, what? This is given as 19. Oh, these are points. I forgot. So we can probably look at the points that are far away. We can start from here. We can start looking. Okay, 10 is fine. 1 to 20 is also fine. This is also fine. But this is not good. So there are two points that I cannot reach from one. Okay. So how many points do I have now? I only have 3 points. If I had 4 points, how many ways you can pick 3 points out of 4? That is just like 4C3. Wait, no. But it should be 2. Because order doesn't matter. What is the fucking order in here? Oh, do we have point somewhere? No, I'm 100% correct. Wait, I need to see which points are violating my condition. If I'm locking 1 as a point, then I cannot pick anything after this. If I'll pick 10 as 1 point, leftmost, this is a reachable state. This is not, but is this a reachable state? I need to go and pee. Give me a moment. N and D, that is it. Okay, so I will pick any one point. What's your problem, dude? So points are already sorted. Um, let's store my answer and let's fix a point I equals to 0 and let's try to find J. Okay, so I'm using upper bound. What do I want? Uh, um, Whatever the current value is plus D. So it should be at least. So if I'm at 1, what is 1 plus? I need to see this. So this is satisfying. So because 1 plus 19 is 20. Okay, this is cool. I need to find this at least. There is something wrong. I need to restart. Maybe some compiler issue. I don't know. Yeah, now it's good. What happened to you, brother? Okay, maybe. I don't know. Okay, now you're good. So this is the index. It's the upper bound. It should be greater than that. So what is my range that I can pick? I can pick from. So one I can pick I, and then I can pick like 2 from I plus 1 to j till j minus 1 because j is not the valid index. How will I pick 2 numbers from like NC2, let's say? What is NC2? 2 factorial n into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, and one I have this I. So let's find this range. This range is going to be j minus I, right? Mm, IDX minus I. Now I need to add this to my answer. This is going to be range into range minus 1. This is like factorial thing upon 2. Something's wrong. So it should be I think it's correct. I need to track. Got 6. I have fixed this 1 point, and I did +3. So 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. This is also working. So what is my IDX? Coming out to be 4. So how many valid numbers do I have? 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay. Well, my math is like very bad. This is n log n. I can do this in big O of n. I think so. Because this is already sorted, and let's take a point. So if I'll fix j, I is going to be so L pointer can only move right. So I can do this while my solution is correct, right? Yep. While p of I plus d, right? If this is greater than what I'm trying to do, b of I plus b of L. If the sum of those two is greater than d, then move. Okay, then do L plus plus. So if I'm fixing this point, but I still need to see this range to be I minus L minus 1. But I think something is not correct. So for I0, L should be here only. Moving to the right doesn't matter much. I need to add one more check. No, I actually need to keep checking, then this is not good. I just don't want this I to go. It should be less than I. Do not cross. Well, I is not going to move. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, it's not greater. For 3 it is going to move. 3 plus 1 is 4, then you have 2 and 3. But no answer still. Giving. When you will move to the right, this J will also move right. Okay, let's start it with 0 1 2. Let's start it with 2 for now. We will move this. J will be can. Okay, so J is less than n. No boundation on J. Till the sum of these numbers is less than or equals to D. Just keep moving on. But what's the guarantee? I need a good. Can I even do it? Mm, as far as you can go. Zero is fine. Okay, it's good now. Mm, I was solving some problem. Yeah, I was solving this problem yesterday. And I thought Ncube will not work, but Ncube actually got accepted. That too with pretty good runtime. I don't know. 500 into 500 into 500 is too much. I got stuck here while merging because it's not possible to optimally merge them in big O of n. This was straightforward. And 8:37. I should go and eat. Okay, it got accepted. Um, Same time, but why? This solution was binary search. This one was like better. Oh. What? Okay, I think it's time. I will probably stream tomorrow.